Hello everybody. We're going to revisit these two adapters in the Win or Lose adapter eBay haul. This adapter, if you guys remember, this one here, it would error out. I'll show you that error. There's that error. It said FSM329BGACT socket module on Site 2 is not supported on this version of software. Well, I emailed BP Microsystems, or BPM Microsystems, and they noticed that it said it was an SM329BGAACT. And they said they didn't have no BGAACT, but they had a BGACT. And I thought they were investigating it, what was going on, but they sent me a nice nasty little email. I'll touch off that on another video. But I decided, well, there is an 8-pin chip that's an EEPROM right there. So I read the chip. And here we are. We had an SM329BGAACT. I changed that to an SM329BGACT. Lo and behold, let me plug this in. We will power it up. Let me launch the software. Oh, we have an unboxing. So the software is launched, and if you notice, it detects an SM329BGACT. There is now no error. We go into socket module counter. It should display about 25. There it is, 25 insertions. So if we do a diagnostics test, this won't take too long. No memory test. Memory test will take about 5 minutes, but just do a quick check. Performing self-test. And no, we don't want to do the voltage checks. Test the adapter. Now adapter checked okay. Checking relays and transistors. And it all passed. So there we have it. That module went from a lose to a win. Next module was the SM313BGACTEL2. This, I said, needed transistors because they knocked the transistors off in shipping. Well, looks like I need to get that capacitor moved back over. Won't matter. It's just a bypass capacitor. Let's boot this up. If you want to read these in circuit, some of them you had to remove the bypass capacitor. I modified a clip and was able to do it in circuit on some of them. But we'll do the same thing on this one now. We will launch the BP when 803. And we'll just execute a self-test here. Okay. Yeah, on my blog, I believe I've got the error that this gives when it says when the transistors are missing or bad. It'll actually tell you transistor 26, 24. So it's checking the module, checking the transistors, all the pins, everything passed. So we have a double winner now. So the blog on. Here you can see my blog. It was the win or lose eBay Actel chip programming adapters. And here's the error. Here's the FSM329BGACT. Here's the information. Here's the chip removed. Yeah, it's pretty tight to get into this chip. I had to modify a clip, wherever I put that. It's around here somewhere. But I modified a clip to reach into that tight space. So 25. I might not have saved the error when it has transistors missing. I'll have to remove a transistor and show you guys that error on the blog. But yeah, so we have a winner. Power this down. Yeah, on the hex dump, so it looks like we have right here, we've got the FSM329BGACT. I've got all of them. I read every single adapter I have and backed them up. So I believe this 372C1900001900, that is, I believe, the counter. I'll have to do some playing to decode that, and that should say how many counts this thing has. This AA5533A2010000, I have no clue what that is. It seems to be consistent over every adapter. I'm not sure if it's the serial number of the programmer. It didn't change when I put it in the Silicon Sculptor 3. So we'll figure that out eventually. But that's really simple code. So if you've got one of these adapters that are erroring out on the ID, you can fix it. So I think the retail list on that adapter is about $2,000. Yeah, it's expensive. So what else was I gonna do on this? So these two are good. I will. Got to put myself a note to move that bypass capacitor. Okay, should we get on with the unboxing? I think we should. Well, we got the programmer out. This came in today. Oh, that's show you the transistors. It was these 5 here and these 6 here, in that neighborhood. So I have the part number on my blog. They're the jelly bean part. They're very, very, very common. So this came from Goss Sales LLC, Blaine, New Mexico. Took a while to get here, but it got here. Let's open this up. You guys pretty much guess what it is. For the sake of the planet, we use recycled shipping materials whenever possible. I don't ever fault anybody for using recycled shipping materials, as long as it's sturdy and it's, you know, not a dilapidated box or whatever. Okay. We have another adapter. This is another Actel. This one's got a little bit more intricate circuitry in it. Looks like they all use all the same transistors and ICs. I'll have to read that one. This is a QFP. I believe CQ is QFP, quad flatback. But let's test it. This is an FSM SX84 CQACT. Yeah, they are very, very proud on their price on these Actel modules. Let's power this up. Yeah, I've got a, if you look at my posts section, I've got a big package coming in. Okay, it detected it there. An SMSX84 looks about right. We're going to execute the test. I want to turn the BP went on. There we go. Okay, so it's an SMSX84 CQACT. We're going to run this test. Some adapters take a long time, and we don't want to check that. Yeah, this one will take probably a little bit of time. Ah, it went pretty quick. I know there's one adapter that took forever. It's still checking. Impedance test, yep. Or impedance, sorry, impedance. Can this programmer get it up? Nah, probably not. But impedance test. So, don't know where Cotty is. She's usually around here. So I'll fill you guys in a little bit more after I get everything settled out with BPM Microsystems. Oh, that's a tight socket. But let's see if I can find the cable I made. Too many drawers, too many drawers. Probably won't find it. I just put the darn thing up. Because I want to back that up. Maybe I'll do another video backing up. Did I stick it over here? Nope, it's not over there. Oh well. Where did my clip go? Hey, I'll do another video backing it up. But I will back that up. So, thanks for watching. I'll put links in the description. Be sure to like and comment. I can now do whatever this adapter allows me to program. I think this one does about 14 different devices. So, the one that's like $2,000, it only does like 2. But they're rare devices. Chance that I'll ever see them, very slim. But, yeah, keep looking. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'll do another video on backing that up. It deserves its own video. So, we will catch y'all later.